Got down to the water park. It's a little chillier today than it was yesterday. But these kiddos want to get in the water. Even though it's a little chilly. It'll be fun. In a place with all of them.
Oh, that's real good.
Oh, in that cold water.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me.
Oh, her's got her toy. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. Ooh. You like this grass? Oh, she found somebody's. She found somebody's.
Oh, that's real good.
Woo! Roll it. Get a 6. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Yeah, she got a 4. Roll it. 6. There we go. That's 2. 5. Roll it. 3. Okay. One more.
Nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
I'm not wanting.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Come and check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody.
How do you get above water?
I heard Michael.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Jane! Hey, Angel! Horse!
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Elijah Jane! Give baby a kiss!
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Gold! It's gold!
It gets better. Like,
It doesn't get better.
not that bad. It's cold where you get it under. It's not that bad. Now go on the floor.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Daddy came out crazy!
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Granny, we got Mama, the baby. Baby trying to learn how to skate. We got Allie pulling up the rear.
Come on and leave me away.
We are. Whoa.
Is it Bobby?
I feel like I need to keep recording.
Mommy!
Wow. Wow. Now we got it figured out. We got it down to a science.
I'm so good at this. She's so good at this.
There you go. That's it right there.
Have to play some pickleball. Woo!
Stopping me.
I'm getting scrambled eggs, a waffle, a hash brown.
Hey, what you getting? What you ordering, ma'am? What you gonna order? Hey,
Here, show
what you
Mama
order?
what you want. Show Mama what you
what
want.
you ordering? She dropped her spoon.
Hey,
Oh, she
show
found it.
Mama what you want. Want that?
That one?
Ooh.
Oh, that one? Oh, that one. You want that one? Ooh.
She wants that.
You want that one?
She wants all.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I get hash brown.
We're at the Waffle House. Gonna to tell them why we're at the Waffle House?
You want me to tell them why we're at Waffle House? Or I want to tell them?
Yeah.
Can you go ahead? Because somebody forgot to take the glass lid off of the stove and started cooking. And then we started smelling something burning. And it was the glass melting / the paint burning on the glass lid. So I tried to lift it
And it went.
gently,
And it went.
and then it exploded.
All the glass was shattered.
Half in the food, half not in the food. So we're
We
here.
weren't there. We were at the shower.
I was there. I was just holding the pot. Were you scared?
No, I wasn't necessarily scared.
You weren't scared?
I was just shocked. So that's what happened.
Broken glass. This.
Busted. Oh, that's the part that Dagny was talking about that melted.
Caught on fire.
Caught on fire. So we're sweeping it all up, cleaning it. It's almost done. Should have took a picture beforehand. Alright, loading everything up. Taking all the stuff done, all the things. It's been a fun trip, and it's been a crazy trip with the thing messing up, but we all have fun. This is a nice place. We will come back. Kids really enjoyed it. So, there we go. To the next trip. Did y'all have fun?
Yes, ma'am.
You wanna come back?
Yes, ma'am.
Best trip ever. See you next time.
It's a nice place. Bye. Thanks. Like and subscribe.